as somebody who started with SPACs years ago, I just wonder, first, are you surprised at their prevalence, at what really has become a new asset class?
I'm not surprised. And you have to remember that I've been involved with growth companies for many, many years. And this is an inflection point for many growth companies like Payoneer that we're announcing today. The SPAC structure is intended to give investors better knowledge of the forward potential for companies that are growing very quickly. And we have many of them coming to maturity just at this time.
Well, let's talk briefly about Payoneer and perhaps some of your other deals, but I'll give you a little bit here on that. I mean, tell me what exactly this company does. I'm reading the press release. It's built a broad ecosystem that connects marketplaces, sellers, freelancers, gig workers, manufacturers, banks, suppliers, buyers into an integrated global platform. What does that mean?
It means that it's provided in a way that is really democratization of e-commerce, the opportunity for, at this time, 5 million small business and medium-sized business enterprises to have an easy time making their payments. And that has not always been the case, because remember, the process of wiring funds, of writing checks, of sending money through your bank on an international basis has always been very cumbersome. Payoneer has created an international platform with which to make this process one that will facilitate and grow the businesses of its customers.
On the subject of fintech, I wonder, given what we've been covering lately over this last week with GameStop and in particular Robinhood, which, again, sort of echoing your words, is trying to democratize a different part of the financial system. Do you like that business model? Or is that something that perhaps you would look askance at?
Well, democratization for Robinhood is a very different phenomenon, I think, than for Payoneer. Payoneer is reaching out to customers who otherwise would not have access to the payment system. In Robinhood's case, Robinhood is providing people who have not had an opportunity to effectively trade stocks to do that. But it brings with it a certain amount of, I suppose, risk, both for the customer and for, as we saw this week, for Robinhood.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.